You gonna sing for me? Can you sing? Can you sing a song or something for me? Huh? Can you sing a song for me, Christos? Weird. Christos is the drummer. Christos is the... Gonna say something out there? Huh? You gonna say something? Be like, "Hi everybody, my name's Christos. I like to eat birds, dead or alive." You sick. Whoa there, chill out, homie. This isn't a roller coaster ride. Alright. Okay. That's all you want to say? Is that all you want to say? Alright.